Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about a hair care product that I really like. I'm very into hair care just because I do have color treated hair. As you can see, my hair is very fine and very thin, unfortunately, so I do use a lot of strengthening oils, fortifying oils for my scalp. And one of my new favorite lines that's actually very affordable is Sephora's hair care line. And this is the hair oil that they have. It's their Moringa protective hair oil, and it's actually really affordable. I think it's only $15, and it's a dry oil you use on dry or damp hair on lengths and ends. No need to rinse, only few drops needed. And I heard this oil does amazing things for your hair, and you can just use it on the end. So we're gonna go ahead and use it, and it comes with a pretty good amount. This has 50 milliliters, 1.69 fluid ounces. So for $15, I think that's really good. We're gonna go ahead and take a few drops, place it right here. It's a clear consistency. We're gonna take a few drops, so a little bit will last you a really long time. I'm gonna go ahead and put some on the ends so they don't look as dry as they usually do. And it smells amazing. It smells really good. It doesn't smell as nasty as some of the hair oils that I usually put on my hair. It's already so much shinier, so much more luscious, and it doesn't feel like it's gonna break. But yeah. So if you guys really want to invest in a hair oil that's not too expensive, I would recommend purchasing the one from Sephora's hairline, the Moringa oil. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want new reviews on hair care lines, skincare lines, and have a great day.